G'day guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a quick review on Bead machine. Okay, this one's a new product by Bowden. Meant to have long-lasting protection, meant to be UV protectant, meant to bead up pretty well. But hey, before we get on to that, we'll give this girl a bit of a clean up first, and I'll be doing a 2-bucket wash on this with an analysis wash, and then use the new flash prep. This one here is designed to go through and eliminate all the residue and waxes left on the paint, and then we'll use the bead machine to follow up, and we'll give this guy a good test and see how she performs. So we've gone around and given the car a clean in the 2-bucket stage wash. We're now going to do the next step, which is flash prep. It's another new product by Bowden, and it's designed to go around and reduce all the waxes, all the silicons off the paint, get it ready for bead machine to give it its best shot. So we're going to give that one a go after this. Let's go. Okay, so what you want to do is give this a really good shake first and apply straight to the panel. Don't be shy with it. Give it a good spray, and then with the nice microfiber cloth, just go through and wipe it off. Okay guys, here's the moment we've all been waiting for. Time to give this bead machine a good test. Now I've done what Bowden's has asked, so we've gone through and we've flash prepped the surface here so it's all nice and ready. Got rid of all the waxes and residue. Now got my big softie. What you want to be doing is prep your big softie, put a few squirts on there, and here we go. Wipe on. Turn your big softie over and wipe away. Okay. And as you work around the car, just give your big softie maybe another 1 or 2 squirts. This product's meant to be very safe to use on plastics as well, and on glasses. Maybe just don't use it on your windscreen. Perfect. Feels really good. The surface of the car feels really good actually. There's really little resistance on the big softie. Nice. But we need to put it to the real test. Let's put some water on it. there you go, guys. So that's a wrap on the new bead machine and flash prep. Is it good? Well, yeah, it's okay. If you haven't got anything else, I think it's really, really good. It definitely works well. This surface paint has come up really, really nicely. And when I did leave it for 2 hours, did a bead, you saw the result. It was okay. I'm going to say it's okay. Look, if you've got in your cupboard already some wet dreams, I'd probably stick with that. I think that there's no need to go down and get yourself the other two products. I think that one does a really, really good job in itself. That's my thoughts anyway, guys. I'm sure some of you guys are going to be disagreeing with this, or maybe in agreement with it. So if you have got anything to say, leave a comment down below. Be nice. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.